Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bapak Ibu guru yang dirahmati Allah. Hi guys, how are you doing? Bapak Ibu guru, storytelling merupakan salah satu cara yang digunakan guru untuk memberi pengalaman belajar kepada siswa. Metode bercerita ini adalah cara yang efektif untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Cerita yang disampaikan harus mengandung pesan, nasihat, dan informasi yang bisa ditangkap oleh anak, sehingga anak bisa dengan mudah memahami cerita, serta meneladani hal baik yang terkandung dalam isi cerita yang disampaikan. Dalam bahasa Inggris, storytelling memiliki dua kata, yaitu story dan telling. Artinya menceritakan cerita. Jadi, padaan kata tersebut menghasilkan sebuah pengertian baru, yaitu menceritakan sebuah cerita. Dalam model pembelajaran bercerita, anak dibimbing mengembangkan kemampuan untuk mendengarkan cerita. Melalui metode pembelajaran bercerita, anak mampu mengembangkan kemampuan bahasanya. Mereka dapat mengulang bahasa yang didengar dengan bahasa yang sederhana, sehingga metode ini berpengaruh terhadap kemampuan berbicara. Yang harus kita perhatikan sebelum bercerita adalah 1. Kita harus menguasai ceritanya terlebih dahulu. Bagaimana alurnya, tokoh-tokohnya, dan juga moral value-nya. Mengapa kita harus menguasai, bukan menghafal? Karena jika hanya menghafal dan tiba-tiba di tengah jalan kita lupa naskahnya, kita akan blank. Lain halnya jika kita menguasai cerita itu. Jika kita lupa, maka kita masih bisa melanjutkan dengan kalimat kita sendiri. Yang kedua yaitu dengan check the grammar. Pastikan dulu dalam naskah cerita tidak memiliki kesalahan tata bahasa Inggris. Dalam bahasa Inggrisnya grammatical mistake. Yang ketiga, check the pronunciation. Sebelum bercerita, kita harus bisa melafalkan satu persatu kata dari naskah cerita tersebut ke dalam bahasa Inggris dengan benar. 4. Use facial expression. Storytelling tanpa ekspresi itu ibarat kita pesan nasi goreng, sementara yang kita dapatkan cuma kerupuknya. Ekspresi itu meliputi marah, sedih, bahagia, terkejut, dan takut. Yang kelima, do some voice acting. Maksudnya, suara kita dibuat menyerupai karakter yang sedang kita mainkan. Misalnya, suara anak kecil, suara binatang, itu harus kita serupai, kita harus bisa menyerupai suara-suara tersebut.
The Ugly Duckling. On a beautiful summer day, a family of ducks is taking a swim while another is enjoying a stroll by the bank. But one duck is sitting on her eggs among the tall leaves.
I wonder when my babies are going to come out. They are taking so long to hatch. It is so lonely. No one has the time to visit me.
But Mommy Duck didn't have to wait too long. Soon the eggs started cracking and the little ducklings started taking small, unsteady steps out of their shells.
Quack, 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 quack. Oh, my babies are so beautiful. Now come and line up here, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, there should be one more.
Mother Duck looked around and saw one egg which had not yet hatched.
I think I will have to sit again on this egg till it hatches. It seems pretty large.
Soon the last egg hatched, but the duckling that crept out was large and ugly.
This little fellow doesn't look like his brothers and sisters.
The next day, Mother Duck leads her brood to the water.
Oh, I am proud today that my ducklings are swimming so well, and how well the youngest one is swimming. Come on, kids. That's enough for today. We must get to the farm before it turns dark.
The duck family makes its way to the farmhouse where there were lots of other ducks.
What is that strange-looking creature doing here?
The other ducklings are so cute, but this one is so big and ugly.
He is ugly. We don't want him here.
That's not a nice thing to say. He is still small, and I'm sure he will grow up to be beautiful too.
But the other ducklings continue to bully and make fun of the ugly duckling.
I hope the ducklings stop this nonsense. I can't bear to see that poor child looking so sad.
But as days went by, things started becoming worse for the ugly duckling. Wherever he went, everyone was mean to him.
Have you ever seen anything uglier than this?
Seeing this creature in the morning, my day will also be as ugly as he is.
He seems to be getting uglier by the day.
The ugly duckling just wanted to hide somewhere and cry. Even his brothers and sisters were rude to him. Mother Duck was very sad to see everyone treat the ugly duckling so badly.
Nobody wants to talk to me or play with me because I am ugly. I will run away from here.
So the ugly duckling flew over the fence of the farmyard and continued flying until he spotted a large moor. He decided to spend the night there.
I am so tired. I think I will spend the night here.
Next morning, the ugly duckling woke up to the sound of loud